Welcome to Mastering Wealth, where today we're going to unveil Dave Ramsey's 5 key rules to manage your money. These principles are exactly what the rich follow to maintain their financial well-being. So, let's dive right in. Rule number 1, build an emergency fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months worth of expenses to avoid falling into debt when unexpected financial challenges arise. Rule number 2, say goodbye to debt. The rich understand the importance of living debt-free. Pay off your debt starting with the smallest balance first, and then snowball your way to financial freedom. Rule number 3, create a budget. Tracking your spending allows you to control where your money goes. Allocate every dollar a purpose and stick to your plan. Rule number 4, invest in your future. The rich let their money work for them by investing wisely. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate, start early and consistently invest for long-term wealth accumulation. Rule number 5, save for retirement. Prepare for the future by contributing to retirement accounts like a 401 or an IRA. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Now you have the knowledge to manage your money like the rich Dave Ramsey. Follow these 5 key rules, and you'll be well on your way to financial success and a life of wealth. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks to help you master your wealth.